So let's try out the kayak loader for the first time. Homemade kayak loader. I just pull it out just a little bit. I think that'll work. And in my mind, this is how I envisioned it. Except without the kayak spinning. And then I just tie it from here to the front of the trailer, and of course on the back I have that little steel bumper and also two tie down pegs. Should be, oops, that's a little quick. There's one right there, one on that side, but I imagine I just tie them to the bumper. And being a 10-foot kayak should be long enough to where the rope shouldn't rub on the finish. If it does, it's not a big deal. It's an outdoor product anyway. Let's see how difficult it is to take it down by yourself. And I imagine with a little practice I'll be a lot better at this. Not too bad. I tore my shoulder doing something the other day. It's killing me. Take a look at the spare tire rack that I put on here. You can see it a little bit better now with it's not jammed up in that one spot. So since it's sitting here on my little spare tire rack, I'm gonna have a bolt that comes out through here, through one of the bolt eyes on the wheel. And it won't be the same size nut as what's on the wheel. So if somebody wants to come steal it, they gotta figure, oh man, I got the wrong size lug wrench. Okay. And this few pieces of plywood here are gonna be for my next project. I'm running behind in projects to make a folding bed for the mattress to go on. Here's my bolt. That'll go through the wall like that for the spare tire holder. Let's see. Quick inside look. Right now it's kind of junky because I've been moving stuff around. And that's a spring shade out of my truck. I thought maybe about cutting that in half and making 2 window shades for it. So we'll see. We'll see. Alright, y'all keep watching. Keep on watching. And I got a welding project coming up too. That I'm gonna take an old water heater tank and make a wood burner stove out of it. Ta-da! Alright, thanks for watching the 5x10 teardrop.